Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Toman. It's now time for Fundations. Let's get started. Okay, it's time for our drill sounds. And we're going to echo. My turn, your turn. T, ta, t. B, bat, b. F, fun, f. M, man, N, nut, I, itch, U, up, Now it's time for our standard sound cards. Let's do the consonant first, the yellow ones. B, bat, b. F, fun, f. M, man, N, nut, T, top, t. I, itch, U, Let's go back there real quick. Now it's time for vowel extensions, where we're going to extend or stretch out the sound so we can really learn the vowel sound. Now the 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, but we're only focusing on I and U today. So let's start. I, itch. I, itch. I, itch. Let's do U. U, up. U, up. U, up. Awesome job. Okay, boys and girls, so you're going to get the I and the U out of the alphabet card bag. And you're going to get your letters we've already learned out of the lowercase letters. So that would be B, bat, b. F, fun, f. T, top, t. M, man, and N, nut, Let me move them over a little bit so you can see them all. Now, I think you might notice something a little different about our 2 letters up here that we are learning this week. They are a different color than the rest of them. Why do you think that is? That's right, they are special letters. They are vowels. The red ones are vowels, and the blue ones are consonants. All right, so we're going to play a little game. I'm going to give you a sound, and you're going to find the letter that makes the sound and point to it. Okay, so let's start. The letter that makes the sound is M. You should be pointing to the M, holding the M. Okay, the next one. The letter that makes the sound is F. F, fun. Next one. The letter that makes the sound is U. U, up, B. B. The letter that makes the B sound is B. B, bat, B. I. The letter that makes the I sound is I. I, itch, The letter that makes the T sound is T. T, top, T. The letter that makes the sound is N. N. Nut. Great job on that game. Boys and girls, what you're going to do when you're done playing the game is you're going to put your letters in the bag that says lowercase letters that I have learned. Okay, we're going to have them all in this bag together. All right. All right, boys and girls, let's review quickly how to write the lowercase letter I. I is a plain line letter. You start at the plain line, you go down to the grass line, lift, and dot. I, ich, I. You start at the plain line, go down to the grass line, lift, and dot. I, ich, I. You start the plain line, go down to the grass line, lift, and dot. I, ich, I. All right, our next vowel is the letter U. You start at the plain line, go down to the grass line, curve back up to the plain line, trace down to the grass line. U, up, You start the plain line, go down to the grass line, trace back up to the plain line, go down to the grass line. U, up, Okay, one more time. Start the plain line, go down to the grass line, curve back up to the plain line, trace down to the grass line. U, up, Okay, boys and girls, that's about it for Fundations. So the first week we learned T, B, F. The second week we learned N and M. And then the third week, this week, we are learning the letters I and U. And they are vowels. I, ich, U, And remember, like N and M, they're plain line letters because they start on the plain line. I and U. So N, M, I, and U are all plain line letters. T, B, and F are skyline letters. They start on the skyline. Okay, remember this is called vowel extension because you're extending the sound so you can really hear it. You're stretching out the sound so you can really hear the sounds for I and U. All right, great job today, girls and boys. See you next time. Bye.